Greetings and welcome back to another new video. Hope you all are well. Today I am going to review PLR, the ultimate guide to using AI ChatGPT, so let's get started without delay. PLR, unlocking the power of ChatGPT. Boost your marketing activity with full unrestricted PLR resell rights. PLR, the ultimate guide to using AI ChatGPT. Are you ready to take your marketing activity to the next level? Imagine having a powerful tool at your disposal that can increase your engagement, streamline your communication, and captivate your audience. Introducing ChatGPT, a groundbreaking language model that can revolutionize the way you connect with your customers. In this comprehensive tutorial workshop, you'll learn how to master ChatGPT and harness its incredible potential to supercharge your marketing efforts. Not only that, but you'll also have the opportunity to resell this product with unrestricted private label rights, PLR, opening doors to new revenue streams. Buckle up, because the possibilities are endless. 1. Unleash your creativity. With ChatGPT, you can unleash your creative genius and develop unique and compelling marketing content that captivates your audience. Break free from the limitations of traditional marketing methods and explore new horizons. 2. Streamline communication. ChatGPT acts as your personal virtual assistant, helping you streamline your communication with customers. Say goodbye to tedious manual responses and let ChatGPT handle routine inquiries, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. 3. Enhance customer engagement. Engaging your customers is crucial for business success. ChatGPT offers a dynamic and interactive way to communicate with your audience, keeping them hooked and increasing their involvement in your brand. 4. Drive conversions. A key objective of any marketing strategy is to convert leads into customers. With ChatGPT, you can create persuasive conversations that guide potential customers through the buying process, increasing your conversion rates and ultimately boosting your revenue. 5. Personalize the user experience. Tailoring your marketing messages to individual customers can significantly enhance their experience. ChatGPT enables you to deliver personalized recommendations, offers, and support, making your customers feel valued and understood. 6. Save time and effort. Time is a precious resource in the fast-paced world of marketing. By automating certain tasks and leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can save valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on strategic decision-making and high-impact activities. 7. Expand your reach. As technology advances, so does the importance of digital marketing. By integrating ChatGPT into your marketing strategy, you can expand your reach to a wider audience, tapping into new markets and increasing brand visibility. 8. Gain a competitive edge. In today's competitive landscape, staying ahead of the curve is essential. With ChatGPT, you can gain a competitive edge by adopting cutting-edge technology that sets you apart from your competitors, positioning your brand as innovative and forward-thinking. 9. Resell with unrestricted PLR rights. Not only will you learn how to master ChatGPT, but you'll also have the exclusive opportunity to resell this product with unrestricted private label rights, PLR. This means you can brand it as your own, modify it to suit your needs, and sell it to others, creating a lucrative income stream. 10. Comprehensive tutorial workshop. The tutorial workshop comprises 20 video tutorials and 20 audio tracks that guide you through the process of integrating ChatGPT into your marketing activity. You'll receive practical examples, step-by-step instructions, and insider tips to ensure you make the most of this powerful tool. Now is the time to seize the opportunity and harness the power of ChatGPT. Empower your marketing activity, engage your audience, and boost your business growth. With unrestricted PLR rights, you can not only transform your own marketing but also unlock the potential for a profitable reselling venture. Don't miss out on this chance to revolutionize your marketing strategy. Get instant access to the tutorial workshop and embark on a journey of success today. Learn how to use ChatGPT and you can also resell this product with unrestricted PLR rights. Now you can get instant access to a practical, hands-on tutorial workshop to show you how to use ChatGPT to increase your marketing activity. Watch the 20-video tutorial workshop showing you examples of integrating ChatGPT into your marketing activity. You can also listen to the tutorial workshop with 20 audio tracks. You get 20 videos and 20 audio tracks with unrestricted PLR rights. The 20 videos and 20 audio series includes the following. Introduction to the Tutorial Masterclass. ChatGPT Conversion Conventions. Google Talk to Books. ChatGPT Workaround for Up-to-Date Statistical Information. Choosing a Sales Letter Framework. ChatGPT, Ask for Image Prompts. Canva Text to Image for ChatGPT Sales Presentation. Use ChatGPT to write headlines and subheadlines. ChatGPT Thank You Page Script. Launch emails to customers. ChatGPT Launch emails to affiliates. ChatGPT Script for a sales video. AI with PowerPoint Presentation Coach. AI with PowerPoint, Design and Accessibility. ChatGPT, Write a welcome email. ChatGPT suggests a layout and order for the sales page. ChatGPT suggests colors and background for the sales page layout. ChatGPT Earnings Disclaimers. ChatGPT creates the copy for the opt-in page. ChatGPT creates the opt-in email with sales message. Private label rights license. Yes, can be sold. Yes, can be used for personal use. Yes, can be packaged with other products. Yes, can modify/change the sales letter. Yes, can modify/change the main product. Yes, can modify/change the graphics and ecover. Yes, can be added into paid membership websites. Yes, can put your name on the sales letter. Yes, can be offered as a bonus. Yes, can be used to build a list. Yes, can print/publish offline. Yes, can convey and sell personal use rights. Yes, can convey and sell resale rights. Yes, can convey and sell master resale rights. Yes, can be given away for free. Yes, can be added to free membership websites. Yes, can convey and sell private label rights. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thanks.